Welcome to the Phone Transformer. Today, I'll show you how to write a letter on an iPhone, explained clearly with steps. Step 1, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Step 3, tap the new note icon at the bottom right corner to create a blank page. Step 4, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the keyboard. Step 5, type the date at the top of the page, then press return. Step 6, write your greeting like Dear Sir or Dear Friend and press return again. Step 7, start typing the main body of your letter using the return key to make new paragraphs. Step 8, correct any mistakes by tapping the text and using the backspace key or suggestions. Step 9, press return a few times and type your name to add a signature at the end. Step 10, tap done on the keyboard to finish writing the letter. Step 11, if you want to share it, tap the share icon and choose mail, messages or print. That's how you can easily write a letter on iPhone using the Notes app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful phone tips.